Hey there, welcome to Social Waves AI. Struggling to bring your creative ideas to life? Spending hours on designs that still feel incomplete? Meet your new creative partner, Canva.com, your all-in-one design solution. Canva makes designing effortless, whether you're a seasoned pro or a total beginner. And now, with the power of AI, Canva takes your creativity to the next level. Imagine typing out your vision and watching Canva's AI turn your words into stunning visuals with text-to-image AI. Need your design in multiple formats? With Magic Resize, it's a one-click transformation. Say goodbye to complex editing tools. Canva's background remover uses AI to do the heavy lifting, giving you professional results in seconds. AI doesn't just save time, it boosts collaboration. Use Canva's brand kit and AI tools to generate consistent designs that reflect your brand identity. From social media posts to presentations, invitations, and beyond, Canva empowers you to create designs that captivate. Experience creativity without limits. Start your journey with Canva.com today, and let AI bring your ideas to life. Canva.com, where creativity meets intelligence. Start for free now.